Hello, my name is Tony Westbrook and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. On this video I would like to look at the ATS-20 receiver. I have one here which I've just received from China. I'm going to take this into the workshop and remove the covers and let you have a look inside before I check out its performance working with an aerial. There's the receiver opened up. I've heard a number of stories about the receiver, mainly about poor construction, and people have complained about the software locking up, not working properly. But although I ordered an ATS-20, this is in fact an ATS-20 Plus. So hopefully the software is all sorted out on this version. It's the receiver is based on an SI4735 and it's driven by the Arduino processor, which is in this corner here. You've got an internal speaker, BNC jack on the back, internal batteries, and you can see it's very compact in its design. So I'm going to put that back together and see how it performs on the shortwave band on AM on some broadcast stations. You can see the aerial I'm using. It's a 20-foot doublet. That's 10 foot aside with a 4-to-1 transformer in the middle. And the feed line runs into the house through RG147 miniature coax. It's important to remember that your aerial for shortwave is every bit as important as your receiver. Just connected up the aerial. The on-off switch is on the back there, so I'll turn him on. Wait to run through there. Basically it works on button pressures. I'll just bring the volume down. And you've got a band select, AGC is on, so I'll go up to 17.
It just vividly reminds me of
0.49.
complaining about all this unnecessary settings, because like I said, I don't watch TV anymore, but my last TV, actually I did a little survey, experience. And
China radio coming through just after 9 o'clock in the morning.
On one of the remote controls, just one of the remote controls.
So the settings for AM, we've got bandwidth.
That was during the day when I still watch TV. And that was only just one remote control.
Too low, isn't it? It's far too muffled there. That's 6 kilohertz.
Smart TV. You constantly have 3 or even 4 remote controls, and then every remote control has like dozens, 20, 30, something like that.
Probably sounds best on 4.
And then you have to click the right one out of all the bunch of buttons.
So we've got S3 and 80%. I'm not quite sure. Presumably that's the S meter. I don't know what the 80% means.
Remote control goes with which device. I mean, that's just
and we got a step select here.
With the smart TV, you also
so I can go in 10, 1, 5
content,
kilohertz.
And you constantly have to figure out each menu and what
AGC
function, blah blah blah. So before you finally get to the destination, you
attenuator. I don't think there's any real need for that on AM.
So
oops, stay there.
Already. So that just completely defeats the purpose of watching TV, because I watch TV to relax. I want to unwind. I don't want to get myself into this frenzy, like add unnecessary stress to myself.
That's China radio working.
This whole idea of
17.49 megahertz.
Actually kind of stupid.
Just after 9 o'clock in the morning.
This oxymoron. It's no longer.
That's Radio New Zealand coming through on 11.725 megahertz. And that's around about 10:30 in the morning. It's 9.670 megahertz, which is radio 292. That's coming through okay. That's around about 10:30 in the morning.
Der Deutsche Amateur-Radio-Club sendet jede Woche DX-Magazin auf Kurzwelle 6070 kHz. DX-Meldungen, Technik und aktuelle Berichte aus der Funk.
That's Radio Romania coming on air on 15.460 megahertz. They should start broadcasting in English at midday.
This is Radio Romania International. You are listening to our 1-hour broadcast in English for listeners in Western Europe and Africa. We can also be heard on the internet at www.rri.ro channel 1. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter and other social media platforms. Our programs are also available on TuneIn and via satellite Eurosat 16A on 11,512 megahertz vertical polarization, azimuth 16 degrees east. Symbol rate 29,950 megasymbols per second. Standard DVB-S2. Modulation 8 PSK. Audio PID 510. We wish you good reception conditions.
Including Tasman, Chinese and Maripol.
That's the Voice of Turkey, which comes on at 13:30 and 12.065 megahertz.
Ukrainian Armed Forces General Staff said a day earlier it put Russian casualties over 10,000. It did not report Ukrainian casualties. In the meantime, Moscow expects a response from Ukraine to ceasefire in Ukraine, open humanitarian corridors and sign up.
That's the Voice of America coming through on 17.885 megahertz.
Ukraine in the Black Sea and has good ties with both, but the country has called Russia's invasion unacceptable and offers to host talks. This is really news. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky appealed directly to Russians on Sunday to take to the streets in protest against the Kremlin's invasion of his country or risk their own poverty and repression. This last week, thousands of people in Russia have been detained for protesting against the invasion of Ukraine, or what the Russian authorities call a special military operation that began on February 24th. Ukrainian soldiers boasted defenses around Kyiv on Sunday, digging trenches, blocking roads, and coordinating with civil defense units as Russian forces bombarded the surrounding areas and attacked towns and villages nearby.
That's the Voice of America coming through on 17.885 megahertz. Once again, all the news is about the Ukraine.
Later on Sunday, as Russian forces escalated their invasion,
just a recap on the ATS-20. You've got tuning control there, step there, which you can change, 1, 5 and 10. Band select there, you can run up through, up and down. Volume there. It really is self-explanatory. As far as AGC is concerned on AM, I've not seen any advantage turning the AGC off. The bandwidth, which you can select on this button, seems to work best on about 4 kilohertz as far as AM's concerned. Very compact little unit. I hope you found the video interesting, and thank you for watching.